Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be doing the double arm grab from behind, and it looks like this. So make sure you have a partner to work out with, a safe place to train, and you're ready to get started. To do this self-defense technique, there are 5 easy steps, and here they are. Number 1, you're gonna reach up with one hand and grab your opponent's wrist. So you're grabbing a hold of their wrist right here. Number 2, I'm gonna turn sideways, and I'm gonna take their wrist and turn their elbow so their elbow is facing upward. Number 3, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my arm and put my arm all the way behind their elbow. Not on top, but I'm gonna put it behind the elbow. Number 4, I'm gonna push my arm on the elbow, pushing my opponent all the way to the floor and flat. Make sure that they go flat. If they're on their edge, if they're on their side, Sensei Conover could punch me. So I wanna make sure that he's flat, that way he can't punch me. So really push hard on the elbow, that's gonna make it so he can't get up. Next, the last thing we're gonna do, number 5, is we're gonna grab the head, lift it up, head smash to the ground, arm break to the elbow, and run. Okay, let's try that again. All right, number 1, I'm gonna reach up with one hand and grab the wrist. Number 2, I'm gonna turn my body sideways and turn the wrist so that his elbow is facing upward. Number 3, I'm gonna take my arm and put it behind his elbow. Number 4, I'm gonna push on the elbow, pushing all the way to the ground and flat. Number 5, I'm gonna grab the head, smash it into the ground, arm break the elbow, and run. All right, let's try it again. So, ready? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hiya! Now it's Sensei Conover's turn. All right? So number 1, he's gonna grab my wrist. Number 2, he's gonna turn sideways and turn my elbow. You notice my elbow is facing upward. Number 3, he's gonna take his arm, put it behind my elbow. Number 4, he's gonna push on the elbow, pushing me all the way flat to the ground. Ugh. And next is number 5, he's gonna grab my head smash, break the elbow, pop, and run. Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what you'll be learning on the next lesson, which is the bear hug knuckle strike. Hiya! 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 Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number 1, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number 2, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number 3, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that could also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number 4, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap.
Cyber Sensei.